Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make plasteel ingots in Subnautica 2. Now, plasteel ingots will require you to have 2 pieces of titanium and 1 piece of lithium. Of course, the titanium needs no introduction, but the lithium, however, is a bit difficult to get. Before you get too far into the video, you should take note that you absolutely need the heat adaptation acquired for you to get lithium, because it can only be found deep within the hot biome where there are tons of geothermal vents heating up the place. Now, the biome itself is quite a maze-like area, so do bring some food and water and some tools to bring along with you, especially the sonic resonator. I'll show you where to find it in a very short manner, but if you want an in-depth guide to it, we have a video of it in the channel, so you might want to check it out. Now, from the life pod, make your way straight southeast. After about 380 meters away from the life pod, there's going to be a massive drop-off that leads to a hole on the ground. Inside this hole will be all the gold and lithium you're going to need in the short run. You can find them embedded to the walls and need a sonic resonator to find them. Once you have all the lithium you need, go back to the processor and make the plasteel ingots. It will take 2 minutes to finish. And that's about it on how to make plasteel ingots in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.